Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. In this video, we are going to be learning how to clear history in Canva. To clear history in Canva is super easy. Launch open the Canva application on your mobile device, and then from the home page of Canva, tap on the menu button at the top left corner. Within the menu option, scroll down to Recent Design, and then tap the three dots right next to one of your design you'd like to clear out. You cannot clear all the history at once, but you'll need to select a design manually and then tap on Move to Trash. Look for another design you want to clear from the history and tap on it. Tap the little three dots and then click on the Move to Trash button again. You can repeat this step for every other design or history you want to remove, and that way you can easily clear your history on Canva. If you have mistakenly deleted a design, you can go back to the trash folder and then select a design you want to restore. Tap on the three dots right above them and click on Restore. Repeat this step for every other design that you've mistakenly deleted, and it'll be restored back to your recent design list if it hasn't been permanently deleted from the trash folder. So that is the only way you will be able to clear your history in Canva. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.